Here's the hard truth about getting better at selling. And this is true whether it's you still doing the selling or whether you've got your very first sales hire that you're excited and nervous about, or maybe you've got an existing sales team. But here's the hard truth about it. We all know we could get better, but it feels like it would take an enormous investment in time and effort to do so. And what we learned is you don't need more information to be better at selling. We don't need to have you go through another course where you watch a bunch of videos and take a bunch of notes. I'm not knocking those things. That just isn't going to dramatically improve your real world performance. No, what you need, and the hard truth, is more of an opportunity to practice the hardest parts of the sales conversation. And maybe for you, that's just getting started and asking discovery questions. Or maybe your team really struggles with developing genuine rapport. Or maybe they struggle with closing and objection handling. But that entire journey of the conversation they or you need to be having with insurance agents, insurance adjusters, and property managers is something you can now practice right here in this course. We've built AI-powered training games, customized them specifically for the restoration industry, particularly business development, and trying to earn your place on the referral list for property managers and insurance companies in your area. You'll be able to practice these and get feedback each and every time in 10 to 15 minutes per practice session. If you do a couple of those per week over the course of 10 to 12 weeks, you or your sales team will dramatically improve your real-world sales performance. You don't need more information. You need consequence-free practice with feedback specifically tailored to your industry. That's what's inside this program. I hope you'll come inside and spend the next 10 to 12 weeks with us, leveling up your sales skills and dramatically improving your performance.